Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word fable. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The teacher read a fable about the tortoise and the hare to the students. A fable is a short story that typically uses animals or mythical creatures to teach a moral lesson or convey a particular message to the reader. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.